Folks over at Tyvek have been very, very busy. DuPont makes a product called Tyvek, which I'm sure all of you are familiar with. I have the 1079 here. It does not have the little certified logo, but good news, it is certified. In fact, if you go in and put in your latex Gen 3 printer, you're going to see there's a whole ton of Tyvek all certified, DuPont Tyvek. I think they put almost their entire portfolio through our evaluation process. And I really want to thank Tyvek for doing that. There's so much I like about Tyvek. It is indoor and outdoor durable. I mean, you can bring this stuff outside, and this stuff lasts a lot longer than you realize. This is a very good choice for shorter-term outdoor signage and displays. I could make all sorts of things out of the various SKUs of Tyvek. When you go visit the folks at DuPont Tyvek in their booth at a trade show, you'll see just how much you can do with it. You can make bags, you can make wallets, you can make tents, you can make all sorts of things out of Tyvek. They have all these different SKUs for different applications depending on what you're looking for, thickness, strength, and it all runs through latex printers very, very well. I have no problem recommending it. I think I'm seeing like 5 or 6 SKUs that all have certification. So you can download them right into your printer and you can get results. So definitely check out Tyvek. This is traditional, just uncoated Tyvek. This is not specifically prepared for latex or anything. We just found that it's always been highly compatible, and I've been running it for years. I run it at high speeds, I run it at slow speeds, I run it at quality or not. You're always going to get a little bit of the fibrousness in it, but that's perfectly fine to me. I think it makes the product stand out. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it. And if you want to reduce the amount of ink a little bit, that's certainly possible. You can adjust it to get your own settings that you want. But this is certified media, DuPont Tyvek. Great choices for effectively non-woven products so that you can look to enhance your environmental signature and still be able to print outside and have durability. Great choice for outdoor durable products, nice products, innovative, environmentally friendly. Everything about this I like, and I want to thank the Tyvek people personally for the effort they've invested and having all of their stuff tested, because there's a lot on there and it's all available for latex.